It's time to feed Scarlet, and she already knows it. As you can see, she's ready. So it's time to feed her. What's up, baby girl? You ready to eat? Got something for you, boy. Look at that. Come on. Good girl. Come on. She's about to break her plant off. There we go. Look at her rubbing against her water bowl, working that rat down. It's so intelligent how they use their environment to help work their food down, or to help them shed. Going back in her hole. Good girl, baby. Now we're going to move on to the hogs. Mr. Puff Puff. Where are you, buddy? Well, there you are, buddy. You wanna eat? I don't know why y'all guys like the cold side so much. I don't understand it. I give you a hot side and you don't even want to be over there. Good boy. That's my good puppy. I don't have to hold it. I'm just trying to keep the aspirin off of it as long as I can. Oh, man. I don't even have it in the shot. Look at that. I missed it. My bad, people. That's a good boy. Give me your house back. Get that thing down your pipe, boy. I don't want to startle you, so hurry up, swallow that joker. Okay, but get your house back. Don't get paranoid. Alright, now I need to put your water bowl back, but you're sitting where your water bowl is. So you think you can move on over here, buddy? Come on, move over. I want to put your water bowl right there. Can I put your water bowl down? Come on, buddy. I just want to put your water bowl down. Okay? Come on. Kissy pissy out the way. That's why you got the name Puffy Cheeks. That's a good boy. I believe this is my new girl, which she actually doesn't even have a name yet. So she's a normal het albino, possible het Xanthic, but she's really yellow, like lemon almost. So I thought about letting that inspire the name. Come on, girlfriend. You just messed your house up. I gotta redo it all. Y'all always on the cold side. I know that. There you are. Come on, good girl. You can see how her yellow pigment's pretty strong. Alright, girlfriend. I don't want you to get too upset, okay? Time to eat. Come on, take it, mama. Every now and then she'll take it from me, but sometimes I have to leave it in here and disappear for a while. And I'm not 100% sure that she ate on the last meal. Yes, she did. I came back and it was gone. Come on, mama. Yeah, the ones I've had for a while, they're used to being hand fed. I can tell these weren't handled like mine. But they'll get there, because my other ones were like that at first too. They were a little bit calmer though. Alright girl, I'm going to leave your little mouth right on top, okay? But it doesn't stay hot forever, it's already getting cold. One day you'll get over your little shyness. Alright. Now for Miss Wiggleworm. She shouldn't give me a problem. Alright, Miss Wiggleworm, where are you? Right there in the middle. Come on, Miss Wiggles. Wiggle your way up to the top, girl. There you are. Your house needs to be changed. Change them tomorrow after your food settles. Are you ready? You ready, Bobby? Come on. See? These aren't shy at all. They know what time it is. That's a good girl. I'm gonna give you your house back. Move your flower over. Get it out the way. House back. Good girl. And now it's time for the wild one. The corn snake. Man, this girl destroys her cage, bro. Got to stick that back up with some more tape. What's up, girl? You think you want to eat today? I think you eat every time I try to feed you, son. I don't think that's going to be a problem, is it? It's not real hot. But I know you don't really care about that at all. You just want to eat. Why are you going to drop it and get it all dirty now? Are you going to pick it back up? I've been picking it back up and giving it to you every time. Now I want to see you pick it back up. Do it by yourself. Good job. What a smart little girl. Turn this around where you can see it. Sorry, baby. You can pick it back up. Get you in shot, but I'll leave you alone. Alright, go ahead and get it again. Go ahead and get that rat, baby. I might have to move. Yeah, you need to get that rat. I'm not here for you. I gave you the food. And get your mouse. Right there. That's right. Good job. I'm telling you, these things are intelligent. People don't realize how smart these things are. They make decisions. They don't just react. They condition, they remember faces, they remember voices. Yes, they can hear some. They don't have ears, but they can hear a little bit. That idea that they're completely deaf, it's a myth. I hate when I see the arms getting in the way. I want to reach down there and pull the arms off. But they always figure out how to get them back. I'm trying to get her back in the shot to get in a minute, but I gotta let her get it halfway down so she doesn't spit it back up. It's crazy how much different personalities are in these. This wild one right here, she'll eat out my hand. My hog knows they won't eat out my hand. However, they also won't bite. This one right here will bite the mess out of me anytime she feels like it. I almost got it down to your belly now. That was a good girl. Put your house back together. Okay. Get your water bowl back. I'm gonna have to go get you a bigger bowl here in a minute. This is nowhere near big enough.
Oh, you almost had it. You gotta be quicker than that.
Should dump this water in 5 minutes. There goes your house, baby. So that's all the snakes I got upstairs, but last week I had to put Mr. Taki in quarantine. So he's down in the bathroom. I found some weird looking mucus inside of his bin, and I wasn't sure what it was. I posted in a couple Facebook groups, and with all the breeders out there, I was surprised that I got very little replies. I guess a lot of people have never seen this issue before. Of course, the first thing that everybody leads to is cryptovirus. But I really don't think that's what it is. With crypto, they'll regurgitate when they try to eat, and they'll have a swollen spot in their stomach. So people naturally assumed that mucus spot was regurgitation. I'm not convinced that it was. There was no part of a pinky, or even anything that looked like it had been digested. Nothing. Just clear mucus. And so a couple people immediately responded and said, that's hognose sperm. Oh, okay, that makes sense. Because he is in between 2 females on a rat. Both of the females are not really ready yet, but they're getting close. And obviously, he is. But either way, I quarantined him down in the bathroom just to make sure, because I can't afford for all of them to get sick. But since he's been down in the bathroom, there's been no sign of anything in his enclosure. He still doesn't have a swollen spot on his stomach. He doesn't appear to be losing weight, but he didn't eat during the last meal, but he was probably a little bit too excited. Some people say don't feed him for a couple weeks, just in case it was regurg, but I really don't think it was. And every time I go down there, he's all over the place looking at me like he's ready to eat. So my plan is to feed it to him, and if I immediately see that spot back in the cage in the next few days, and he's nowhere around the girls, then I'll probably know. I was told to get a fecal test done to him, and if I see it show back up in the cage again, I probably will. But all of the poop that was in the cage last week, it looked normal. It didn't appear to have anything wrong with it. So again, I really don't think he's sick. A lot of people say with ball pythons, it's very common to see sperm in the bin. But a lot of people don't see it with hognose. But if that proves to be the case, here you go. It happens. Okay, let me go heat up that pinky. Okay, we're down in the bathroom and it's time to feed Taki. I hope my boy's not sick because I made a bond with this little fella. Scared me for a minute, bro. You were sleeping deep. I didn't eat nobody. See, he's way more chill than the girl. I said that, now he's not gonna take it from me. He took one the other day. You don't want to eat, buddy? You don't have to eat. I'll come back and check later on to see if you had it. I'll leave it right here, okay? You smell it. I'll check on you in a little while. But yeah, as you can see, there's no swollen spot on him. He moves fine. He doesn't have any bubbles in his nose like he's got any respiratory thing going on. As long as he'll eat, I know he's okay, but it could have been a slight regurg. When I got him in the mail, his little deli cup he was in was stinking pretty bad, but there was a poop in it, or so I thought. There's a slight possibility that it was part of a regurg, even though I was told if it was a regurg, it would smell like terrible. And it really wasn't any different than a normal poop, so hope it was a poop. But there's a chance that the meal that he ate right before he was shipped out, he regurged part of it in the deli cup. And if he did, he ate another meal when he got here a couple days later, and then possibly that was part of a regurg after that. And possibly because of damage from the first regurg and him eating too early, then he regurgitates, which is also part of the risk of feeding him now, which is why I'm not going to force him to eat. If he wants it, he'll take it. If not, I'll throw it away in a little while. But for now, I'm going to let him chill out and get out of his way. He's been in the water bowl all day, so there's a possibility that he's shedding. I just got him, so I'm not really sure about his color, so it's kind of hard for me to tell if he's in shed. He might be a little duller than when I got him, so possibility. He's already shed once. Alright, buddy, I'm going to leave you alone, okay? Well, that sums up the feeding video. I'm about to jump in the shower and get ready to go to a birthday party. Y'all have a good one.